Even in daylight, this is a sprawling high desert community. Neighbors' homes are blocked by tall vegetation, and the closest traffic camera is nearly half a mile away.
As welcome as the new evidence may prove in solving the case, it's now 10 days since Nancy Guthrie was taken.
Why did it take so long to retrieve this vital video?
The fact that they're able to go and there's no subscription and it's just out there in cyberspace, flying around and piece this back together and find out